discover your mind. Let us in. No demons. Homo sapien.
Yo, what's up, guys? Today we got a video for y'all, man. We're gonna go ahead and do a I guess you could say preventive maintenance, or it's gonna be a lot of repairs. So we're gonna do on a 2000 Cavalier, we're gonna do brakes, valve cover gaskets. This is what we're starting out with. 2001 Chevy Cavalier. Alright, so guys, so we're doing a brake job on the Cavalier, and this is why we had to replace the rotors and the calipers. Like, the other side wasn't too bad, real rusty and worn down. So we have new rotors and calipers and pads. Right now we're doing a brake flush. This is a brake flush machine. This car only has front rotors and rear shoes. So you always start from the farthest caliper away from the brake cylinder. So that's why we're on the far right side. And this is catching the brake fluid. Alright guys, so we got a big project on this car today, man. This car has a lot of oil leaks coming from the I would say coming from the valve cover gaskets. Probably just running down, but yeah, we got a lot of work today. I'll change all the hoses. Trying to make her roadworthy again. So a budget daily driver. Just got on 4 jack stands. You see how dark the brake fluid is coming out. I want to explain what a brake fluid is. I mean, brake flush is, sorry. A brake flush is you pressurize the master cylinder with whatever device you have. Me, I have a Mighty Vac. You pressurize it with new brake fluid, and you open up each line. Each line meaning each bleeder screw on whether a caliper or brake drum. And then as it's pressurized, it's pushing out all the dirty fluid. See, this is all clean fluid right here. So that's when you know all the dirty fluid is out of the system and it's being caught inside of a catch can. So this is what you call a brake flush. Not just cleaning the reservoir of fluid and putting new fluid in. So we just installed a new engine mount. I didn't record the insulation. This is the old one. You see how loose it is. How worn out it is. Not supposed to be that loose. So anything we got left, we're gonna replace all the hoses, the upper and lower radiator hose, and valve cover gaskets for the oil leak, new plugs and new spark plugs, and this should be a reliable daily driver. Alright guys, I just removed the lower radiator hose because of age, and they have an updated hose for this model. So this is what we got right here. This is the old hose, and this is the new hose. I'm about to install this now. Alright, so now the only thing we got left is a valve cover gasket. You can see how oily it is. We replaced thermostat, upper and lower hose. So now we're going to do valve cover gaskets, spark plugs, and spark plug wires. And we replaced engine mount too. Forgot. So let's get it. This one ain't too bad either. She got out of here. Get in this fridge. We've been here for like 5 hours, man. I've been here since 9 o'clock. I think it feels like it's about 2 or 3 right now. We got a lot of work done though. Valve cover. Man, look how flat the gasket is. This thing is like flat. Look at that. This is how you know when you need new valve cover gaskets. You see that? It's like flat. I'll clean this with some brake clean. Alright guys, so we got the valve cover on already. I cleaned it up a little bit. I didn't have a lot of brake clean, but look, that looks pretty shiny. Now we're gonna do the spark plugs. Zoom in on it. Yeah, valve cover gasket. Now we're gonna change out the plugs. So let's do it. First I want to break them loose. Ooh, this thing is like soaked in oil. Look at that. Man, that's gonna cause a misfire. Shit. Damn, this one too. See? I All the spark plugs were soaked in oil. That's why it's important when you have an oil leak to address it, because you can be getting terrible gas mileage just because of these plugs. And misfire. Your car won't even ride. Your car will be missing on all cylinders. Damn. So I'm gonna take this opportunity now to kind of clean out everything, push all the. All right, guys, I'm about to put in the new plugs. Fucking tools, electric tools, and spark plugs. I use them to take it off, but never to put it on. Let me run them down by hand. Then I just give it a little tug. That's how you're supposed to do it. So they're using like electrical tools on there. All right, last one. That's tight. That's tight. Always go back over and double check your work. If you halfway tighten a spark plug, it can damage the whole cylinder head and mess up the threads on the engine. Alright, so we got new plugs. This is how I always do them. I always take them out. Alright, y'all. I put all the new plugs in already. Here's the old ones. So the only thing I got left to do is to put the wheels on and bleed out the cooling system.
Open your mind. Let us in.